Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The sound, like in the words cười or mưa, is a combination of the sound and the sound. To pronounce the sound, we'll start by placing the tip of your tongue on the low position behind the lower teeth, and the body of the tongue touches the hard palate. Open your mouth slightly, stretch the lips, and keep them relaxed. Next, lower the back of the tongue a little bit and raise the tip of your tongue. Keep your mouth opening slightly and keep the lips relaxed. Now let's try to say the sound. Let's practice saying some words with the sound. I want to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the words. The first word is cưa, bữa, mưa, dưa, dừa, dứa, giữa, nửa, đưa, chưa, chửa, thưa, thừa, lừa, lửa, vừa, cười, cưới, tưới, mười, bưởi, lười, lưa thưa, sửa chữa, tươi cười, dưa lưới. Now let's write a sentence with many of the sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. 10, trưa, ăn, bữa, trưa. Now a little bit faster. 10, trưa ăn, bữa trưa. Now with normal speed. 10 trưa ăn bữa trưa. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.